Hello, this is Dr. Harris. Thank you for watching our Fun Fact Friday. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you'll be prompted to see our other videos on health. Alright, this Fun Fact Friday is concerning maintenance. A lot of spinal problems are not curable, like degenerating disc, herniated disc. Once they're degenerated, we can actually back it up 5 to 7 years, but there's secondary tissue changes that have taken place that make it not curable. And the same thing about a herniated disc. Once it protrudes and that wall breaks down, there's no unbreaking the wall down. But maintenance treatment is very valuable to keep it from progressing, because on its own, degenerating disc and herniated disc will tend to go downhill. They won't just tend to, they will, without proper treatment. So most cases can benefit from coming in once a month. That's tried and true for 100 years. Some cases are so severe that it might take more than that. But let me suggest that it not be an all or nothing situation. If you can't do once a month, do every 6 weeks, do every 7 weeks, do it every other month, whatever you can do, but do something. And also, if you can get proper treatment promptly when injured, we can turn around the tendency for it to even start degenerating. I'm an example of this. You know, I grew up going to the chiropractor ever since I was 6 years old. You know, whenever I was injured in sports, in auto accidents, I would get proper treatment. And I'm 64 years old and I have no degenerating disc and I have a straight spine. And it's because of the benefits of chiropractic, getting it, the treatment quickly. And then also, I don't let a month go by without a spinal treatment. So keep that in mind for the health of your spine. It's your original equipment. It's the only one you're going to have. That's the important part of maintenance. Thank you.